Good morning, students. Myself, Dr. Hemavati Patil, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Government First Grade College, Manali. Let us study about the homogeneous functions. In the last video, I have given you the definition of homogeneous function and Euler's theorem related with the homogeneous function. Today, let us study about some examples on homogeneous functions, that is the verification of Euler's theorem. Let us take one example. Verify Euler's theorem for the function u is equals to x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube. So let us take here, first you have to write this one as it is. U equals to x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube. First you have to write this given function in the homogeneous form. Let us write this one as here u is equals to, let us take x cube common here. Then it becomes here 1 plus, taking common means you have to divide all the terms by this common term. You have to divide all the terms by x cube. So x cube by x cube is 1. Then if you divide this x square y by x cube, you will get here x square get cancelled, will get y by x. Then plus here x divided by x cube is 1 by x square and y square by x square remains. This is y square by x square plus, and the last term is y cube by x cube. Or it also can be written as here x cube into 1 plus y by x plus y by x whole square plus y by x whole cube. So it is in the form of, this implies here u is in the form of here x cube into phi of y by x. We know this is the standard form of homogeneous function. So this implies here n is equals to 3. This is the homogeneous function of degree 3. This implies here n is equals to 3. Now we have to verify Euler's theorem for this function. That is, we know Euler's theorem is here x into ux plus y into uy is equals to n into u. This you have to verify. Or we can also write it as here x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y is equals to n here is 3 into u. This we have to prove. Let us start from this dou u by dou x. Since here we have u, let us differentiate u partially with respect to x. So that is dou u by dou x is equals to dou by dou x of u. First you have to write this u as it is x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube. Differentiating partially with respect to x means only x is variable, remaining are all constants. So it is equals to, differentiating x cube partially with respect to x means it is 3x square. Then plus, here differentiating partially with respect to x is variable, y is constant, you keep y as it is, derivative of x square is 2x and this y as it is. Then plus, derivative of x is 1, y square constant, so it is y square. And lastly, y cube is constant while differentiating partially with respect to x. So derivative of constant becomes 0, we can leave that. So this is dou u by dou x. And we want here x into dou u by dou x, multiplying on both sides by x. X into dou u by dou x is equals to, multiply all the terms with x here, that is x into 3x square plus 2xy plus y square. It is equals to 3x cube plus 2x square y plus xy square. This is x into dou u by dou x. Take this one as equation number 1. Next we want dou u by dou y. Let us differentiate u partially with respect to y. That is dou by dou y of u. First again you write u as it is here, x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube. So here we are differentiating partially with respect to y, means y is variable and remaining are all constants. So here x is constant in this case, its derivative is 0. Then plus x square constant we keep as it is, and and the derivative of y with respect to y is 1, and plus again here x is constant, derivative of y square is 2y, and the derivative of y cube with respect to y is 3y square. And simplify this, you will get here this is x square plus 2xy plus 3y square, and we want here y into dou u by dou y. Let us multiplying on both sides with y. So that implies here y into dou u by dou y is equals to y into x square plus 2xy plus 3y square. So let us multiply this. This becomes x square y plus 2xy square plus 3y cube. Take this one as second equation. Now let us add these two equations. Adding equations here 1 and 2. You will get, let us add the LHS. LHS are x into dou u by dou x and plus y into dou u by dou y is equals to, let us add RHS also. So RHS of equation 1 is 3x cube plus 2x square y plus x y square, then plus RHS of second equation is x square y plus 2x y square plus 3y cube. Let us simplify this. So here we have, this is equals to 3x cube as it is. Here we have 2x square y plus x square y. Sum of these two is 3x square y. Next is xy square plus 2xy square. Sum of these two is 3xy square. And lastly we have plus 3y cube. All the terms contains 3. We can take 3 common, and we have x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube. So from this we have here, from the given equation, so this is u. U is equals to, we know, x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube. So we have here this is equals to 3u, that is x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y is equals to 3u. And we know here from this definition of homogeneous function, we have here 3 is equals to n, that is x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y is equals to n into u. So this is the verification of Euler's theorem for this function u. This is the